Hola, ¿qué tal amigos de Sneaker Fever? Yo soy Adrián Guti y hoy tenemos un unboxing muy especial. Es el...
Wait. Can I get this one?
Yes.
Oh, let me do this one. Yeah, I think. Okay, cool. Thanks a lot, man. What up? This is JeffStaple of Stalple Pigeon, and today we're going to do a very special unboxing. What we have here is a piece of history in sneaker culture. This box is from 2005, and it contains the original Nike SB Pigeon Dunk that I designed. So I'm going to take you through the unboxing. First of all, what we have here is the original pink box that is not so pink anymore. It used to be much more pink, but because of the sun, it's become a light pink. And this really marked the difference between regular inline Nike stuff and Nike SB product. And as you can see on the label, it says the Nike SB Low Pro, which was the original name of the Dunk. Size 9, probably one of the most coveted sizes in the shoe. And it's got some wear and tear, but overall it looks really good. Let's go inside the box and see what's going on. So, over here, we have the camo lining that happens on the original SB boxes. That pink camo lining was very trademarked to it. And if you were one of the lucky 150 people to get this is what you saw when you opened up the box. The original Pigeon Dunks. And let's go into the shoes now. All right. So here they are, the original shoes. Very, very rare, as you guys know. The market value on this is about 20 to 25,000 US dollars right now. I'm almost kind of scared to hold this because this is someone else's pair. This owner particularly decided to put the gray laces on. I typically see it with the white laces. And then this is the original one, man. It's got the Zoom Air on the inside. The puffy tongue, as you can see here. And then the outsole is the original Nike Dunk outsole. So if you guys are SB fans now, you'll know that there's a cushioning heel in here, and that's not yet invented for this shoe. And then also the original Zoom Air AirPod in here was on the original design. They've since changed this design in recent models, and if you remember what I did on my recent Panda Pigeon Dunk that just came out this year, I brought this original sock liner back. So that was pretty cool. I also brought back the original outsole. Part of that was because of an aesthetic reason, because as you know, on the Panda Pigeon Dunk, the original Sneaker Riot headline is shown on the outsole. In order to get that clear outsole, you have to remove that cushioning pod. So it was both aesthetic and performance related. And then on the inside heel of new Nike SBs, there's a heel lockdown feature that is not yet invented in the original ones. On the Panda Pigeons that I recently released, I included those inside. Classic gray colorway, of course, of the Pigeons, light gray, dark gray, a pop of white on the swoosh, and then of course on the heel, you have the Pigeon embroidery, and those real sneaker nerds will notice that the tongue hasn't even included the Nike SB logo yet. It's got the original Nike swoosh logo. So this is definitely one of the OGs. And I think I'm gonna sign one of these, right? I'm gonna sign one of these shoes. So let me grab a marker here. Here we go. I'm gonna sign it right here. This is the sort of the magic spot to hit it. Signing $20,000 right here. No pressure. Permanent marker. There you go. Signed, official. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I'm excited for Sneaker Fever. I'm gonna see you guys soon. Peace out, Mexico City.